San Miguel is a first-class municipality in the province of Iloilo, Philippines. It is located in the Iloilo River Delta. The municipality of San Miguel was once part of the municipality of Leon. However, due to the effort of the town head and the same time Consular Inspector of San Miguel, Damiano S. Saclauso, on January 16, 1916, it became a separate municipality. It bounded on the north by the municipalities of Cabatuan and Masin, on the east by the city of Iloilo, on the south by the municipality of Oton, and on the west by the municipalities of Leon and Alimuja. It is 17 kilometers away from the city of Iloilo, and it has land area of 3,197 hectares. It is classified as a 14th-class municipality. The municipality was founded by Spanish missionaries in 1566 and was originally named San Miguel de Buenavista. San Miguel was an important center of trade and commerce during the Spanish colonial period. Hiligaynon is the main language used by the residents. Taraya is also spoken as a secondary language. San Miguel is politically subdivided in 24 barangays. Each barangay consists of parochs and some have sitios. According to the 2020 census, San Miguel has a population of over 100 people and is known for its thriving economy, rich history, and vibrant culture. Rice is the priority crop planted, followed by vegetables. Corn is the third priority crop. This includes white, ordinary yellow, and green, and other synthetic varieties like UPCA varieties, DMR, and BPI. These synthetic varieties were introduced in order to increase corn production in this municipality to meet the demands for feeds and human consumption. Pasidungog Festival. Every third week of December, we celebrating Pasidungog kay Senior San Miguel Festival. Offer its people the chance to improve fellowship and cooperation, where they express gratefulness and offer their gift. They praise the celebration with the expressions and artworks, nourishment, beverages, and exceptional project. And Sinigabong Palupok Bayong Festival started in December 29, 1999 by the SK officials of Barangay 8. Now it becomes more than just a traditional. It is now a part of our lives and passed on for 2 decades. Barangay Igtambo was also known in this kind of activity because of many bamboos in the barangay, where its name originated in bamboo sprout called tambo. Caldereta and Papaitan, one of the most famous cuisines in San Miguel Iloilo. The caldereta and papaitan was made with its famous ingredients, which is kambing or goat. And Ching's Arroz Calduan, a lot of people go there, especially when rainy days, because this is the best and the famous Arroz Caldo in San Miguel, Iloilo. Kuchukit, located at Barangay Santo Angel, San Miguel, Iloilo, a fantasy theme park at the camp where you can enjoy the canopy of fairy lights in the background. The resort is accommodation, educational and
bansagon ang imong ngalan karon, tugtog sa katutuban, banwa sang maalwan, matahong mapisan kag maalam, tungganon kag baganihan. San Miguel,
for irrigation of the rice fields in the surrounding town.
San Miguel
Saint Michael the Archangel Parish Church. The church was founded as a vista of the town. Its original site was built at the called Barangay San Jose,
banwa nga matutong sa pagtuon, sa pagpangaman sa palaabuton, banwa nga matinuon sa Diyos, gugma sa pamilya ang nagawagkos. San Miguel banwa ko, bansagon ang imong ngalan karon, tugtog sa katugtuban, banwa sang maalwan, matahong mapisan kag maalam, tungganon kag baganihan. Banwa naging bugayan sang uma, katiling ban nga malapit sa suba, kinatigay sa mga pagtilaw, pagpanikas nagapangibabaw, kikan sa dako nga paghimakas, ang mga bugay dili na makupas, manggal sa layag nga pamatasan, ipanuli sa mga kabataan. San Miguel banwa ko, bansagon ang imong ngalan karon, tugtog sa katutuban, banwa sang maalwan, matahong mapisan kag maalam, tungganon kag baganihan. O San Miguel banwa ko, bansagon ang imong ngalan karon, tugtog sa katutuban, banwa sang